In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Kartra. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your audience, personalize messages, and trigger automations. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable structure for labeling contacts so you can segment with confidence. Start on your Kartra dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar and open Contacts. This is your home base for everything related to people in your database. Inside Contacts, go to All Contacts so you can access the tools that manage how your list is organized. At the top of this area, switch to the Tags section. This is where all existing tags live and where you'll create new ones. Click Tag to add a new tag. Give your tag a clear, consistent name. Think of the name as a label you'll recognize at a glance. Short, action-based phrases work well, like Purchase Course A, Webinar Registered, or Cold Lead. Consistency is key. Choose a naming pattern you can reuse across your entire account. Add a description to document the exact meaning and intended use of this tag. This is especially helpful for teams or for your future self when you're reviewing automations months from now. Spell out when the tag should be applied, what it indicates, and any exclusions that matter. Choose the category that best fits the tag. Categories keep related tags grouped together, making them easier to find later. For example, you might separate engagement tags from purchase or lifecycle tags. Pick the option that matches how you plan to filter and report. If this tag should only apply for a limited time, set an expiration. This automatically removes the tag after the period you specify, which helps keep segments accurate without manual cleanup. If the tag should persist, leave this off. When everything looks good, click Create. You'll see your new tag appear in the list, ready to be used in broadcasts, automations, forms, and sequences. That's it. Your tagging system just got smarter and easier to manage.